here at Cars of Dreams again. John Staluppi. Tell us about this Starfire, John.
This is a 1962. This car was so incredible. This is when they upgraded the engine a little bit.
Powered by a 394 V8 automatic transmission. It has new canvas on the power top.
Power windows. I mean, know what I like about this car the best? Stainless steel on the side. This car has stainless steel on the side, chrome louvers. It's incredible. And this is when they started changing steering wheels, where they made more depth into the steering wheels. I mean, this is a really rare car. And let me tell you, the color's beautiful, the paint is beautiful. This is an incredible, incredible car.
Best part, this is selling at no reserve at our Palm Beach auction, April 18th through the 20th. Register to bid. Pick up a beautiful car from Cars of Dreams.